Peppa Pig was a small pink pig with a big personality. She lived in a cozy little house with her family and spent most of her days playing with her friends and exploring the world around her. One day, Peppa's mom suggested that they spend the day gardening. Peppa was excited at the prospect of getting her hands dirty and planting some seeds. So, the whole family put on their gardening gloves and headed out to the backyard. Peppa's dad showed her how to prepare the soil, using a shovel to turn over the dirt and a rake to smooth it out. Peppa helped her mom choose the seeds they would plant. They decided on a mix of flowers, vegetables, and herbs. Peppa was particularly excited about the herb garden, as she loved the idea of cooking with fresh herbs. As they planted the seeds, Peppa couldn't help but wonder what each plant would look like when it grew. She imagined beautiful flowers in a rainbow of colors, and rows of juicy vegetables just waiting to be picked. As the weeks passed, Peppa watched with excitement as the seeds began to sprout. Soon, there were tiny green shoots poking through the soil. Peppa spent every day tending to the garden, watering the plants and pulling weeds. As the plants grew, Peppa's mom taught her how to prune and care for them. Peppa learned all about how different plants needed different levels of sunlight and water, and how to tell when they were ready to be harvested. Finally, the day arrived when Peppa's garden was ready to be enjoyed. She invited all of her friends over for a garden party, and they feasted on delicious homegrown vegetables and herbs. Peppa was so proud of her garden and all the hard work she had put into it. She couldn't wait to do it all over again the following year. As the sun set on the garden party, Peppa couldn't help but feel grateful for the joy that gardening had brought her. She knew that she would always treasure the memories of the time she spent working in the dirt, surrounded by the beauty of nature.